Hey guys, this is 80 Bricks, and today we will be reviewing the 4 new Make It Blocks minifigures at the dollar store, and we'll be rating them in playability, quality, and compatibility. So, which one do you think looks the best?
Wow. I like the police first one. It looks like it's gonna be good.
Yeah, and my favorite, the one that looks the best right now is the Dino World, and we will be comparing them to a bunch of other Legos. So we'll get opening, and we'll open up the police force first.
Jeez. Whoa.
Did the body break already? Oh, the body broke already. So we got some.
No, it just fell apart.
We've got some other things in the background to compare it to. Looks like it looks a lot similar to this random guy I got. Oh yeah, it's literally the same thing as this thing. Same style. And then this is the old Make It Blocks, which I think has better mobility. And you can play with it, move it around a lot better, but it does break. But the hands don't, come off easy.
And yeah.
I don't think the hands come off easy of this. Got a couple different hair pieces though, which is pretty cool. And even Lego doesn't have different skin tones that much, so it's pretty cool to see different skin tones. But they don't have any.
This guy doesn't look like he would be good playability.
He has a nice face though. They don't have any weapons or utensils though. I think the old Make It Blocks looked a lot similar to this as well, except for the arms are a little bit different, and the head.
These are I like these. These are good. The Mega Box are good to play with.
So on a scale from 1 to 10, 1 being Jack Stone and 10 being Lego minifigure, what would you rate it?
Not Jack Stone. Even though they are pretty hard to move up and down.
But you can actually take them apart.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you
So,
can see
probably
this is the legs.
definitely not this guy.
They do have some back printing.
It's just some company where this guy can't move up and down. He can sit though. Like you can put him down. You can sit him down, which is good. They can be. So.
Wait. Oh. So what to say? Did it already chip off? That's
Let's see. I'm gonna.
intended.
Let's see. Let's see how these guys.
Yeah, they're literally the same as the other one. See, they got a hole in the head. This one has a hole in the head, but it's got a stud in that hole.
See, look at the real Lego fish. And there's you can't just slide it through.
Yeah, the hands are pretty weird.
Yeah. Look. You can't put it in there.
Yeah, so it can't. It'd probably be hard to try to clip it through here. Let's see if it'll break it.
Oh, you gotta be kidding me.
I don't think you even can push it through that.
This is horrible on that.
But it's.
You can't even hold any weapons on it. Not real Legos.
Oh, not really.
No. I thought it looked like.
I got a fake Lego. weapon.
So looks like they can hold fake Lego weapon, which is
Yeah,
good.
They're compatible.
Not as good as these guys. These guys are pretty good. I would rate them like 4 or something.
Yeah, like 5.5.
Oh boy.
Well, let's open up the other one. Demolition. Pretty
Ugh!
noisy.
Every time I try to take it off, there's pants.
Pop it up. Oh, that's so low.
Whoa.
And you know, I think these ones probably try a little bit too much to be like.
Are
Lego.
these like a different series? Cause they're
These guys
better.
have a lot more mobility. You see, kind of like Mega Blocks.
These guys are better.
Aren't really trying to be minifigures. Like this one is so bad because they try to be like minifigures, but the arms pop off so easy and they just fall off.
Are these like a different series? Because they feel a little bit different.
Oh yeah, I think this one.
Oh, these guys don't have as much movability in the legs as this guy. You just like this guy, pretty good to play with. He's just like good decoration. That's pretty much all. And he has a bobblehead, so.
That one has a beard and that one has a mustache instead. They all have helmets though.
These guys would still be a 4 since I think they're the same. They feel the same. They look good with the construction hats, but they're still a 4.
And they do have different skin tone as well. They're probably better than Fire Squad. So let's open up that one.
They're good. Not good, but still good.
Not the not the best fireman in Lego aren't that good, but this guy's pretty cool.
Yeah.
He's gotta be the best one out of all the firemen, I'd have to say. But you do get 5 guys instead of 2 guys, which is what you got in the previous Make It Blocks line. So I think that's pretty cool that you get 5 guys because we've got 2 of these guys and then one of them or they come 2 in one pack and then their arms break off. But if the arms break off of these guys, you got 4 more. So, got any extra thoughts?
Yeah, these guys still can hold this mega box. They can still hold it, so pretty cool. Good.
So now we're gonna check out the one that looked the best to me, the Dino World. These guys are pretty cool, and I think they were trying to copy Jurassic World because this one looks a lot like the main character, and they do have a little. Wait, there it is. It's like a little Velociraptor symbol, as you can see.
So
Not blue though, but this guy's shirt is blue, so it looks a whole lot like Jurassic World. Some
So
interesting hair
apparently
choice for this guy.
you can fit the real Lego in there. You just have to slide it through.
Yeah.
It's really hard though. Look.
It's a little snug.
So as you can see, we have. So these guys are very good compatible, except they can't hold stuff that doesn't have.
You'll have a problem if you want someone to be bald. Oops.
You'll have Cuphead again.
Yeah, you'll just have to have him wear a hat.
Apparently, teddy bears gone easier. Because they have some different, they're shorter, different types. So here's the big question. Can it hold like a dot?
Ooh.
It looks like it's hard. I hope it can. That would be nice.
These guys can. The old makeup blocks. I'm pretty sure. Uh-oh.
Oh. Just get a different dot.
Yep. As you can see, these guys can hold the dot. An emoji dot.
Looks like they can. Okay. Isn't that fit? But they can. They can hold.
That's funky.
They can hold that. But they can they hold it up? I don't know. Let's see. Probably hard. Ooh, I felt the click. And their arm fell off.
Luke brought out a good point about, can the Dino World guys hold the Dino World telescope? See, it's like, this is basically what they use. Yeah, I don't know about this. I'm going to try put it on the fireman in case it breaks.
Yeah, it doesn't look like these guys can hold a dot. So, that's sad.
Oh, there we go.
I mean,
It's hard. It was hard to get on, but got it on there.
So apparently they can't hold dots.
There's one telescope. Let's see if I can get it on this other telescope.
No.
Oh, the hand broke off. At least these guys, they don't haven't actually broken yet. Like the old makeup blocks.
This looks like it's real. Like it looks real, but it's not. This is actually a good one. Good Lego.
Well, they can
Fake
hold the telescopes. Very hard to get on, though.
And they can't hold dots. So apparently you're not going to be fitting this chameleon on there.
But if you want some different hair, they got some different hair. Like this one. That's a little different. But I never used that one, the real Lego version of that, so.
Yeah, these guys are probably going to break soon.
Yeah, this is, now you have a ton of makeup blocks, guys. They're going to be overwhelming the advanced defense units.
Yeah. Since they are pretty much storming, the advanced defense units are storming.
Now we have an army.
We have a Hulk.
Well, if you wanna make an army of guys, then they're pretty good. They're making an army.
Man,
They
that's a lot.
Got a good quantity.
Jeez, they're like $1 each for 5 guys. So
Yeah.
price is good. Especially, they can hold this. Hold real Lego. They can't hold dots, which is a little bit suspect, but they can hold this.
And at the dollar store, they don't have they have a lot of things of you can get base plates, bricks, but they don't have utensils, so
Yeah, they had
they should get
Playmobil
they should get
guys.
some fake utensils for these guys.
They didn't. They don't.
I'm
They
pretty
don't
sure
have.
someone would get it.
There is Playmobil there, which is cool.
Yeah.
We got that since we used to have some. A lot of them. Those are old. They're pretty good. Playmobil is fun.
Yeah. So overall, I think the Dino one is the best.
Yeah, those are cool.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this little review of the 4 new Make It blocks. I don't know how new they are, but I just saw them, so they're new to me. So we'll see you guys next time.